Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. Welcome to another English lecture. Today we are on lecture number 22 and this is our 60-day spoken English course. Today I'll teach you how to ask general questions about different topics. For example, you want to talk about TV programs, you would simply say, what is your favorite TV program? So if the person says, I like this program, you might ask the reason. Why do you like it? What are the reasons you like this program? Who is your favorite TV actor? Who is your favorite drama writer? Who is your favorite personality in that program? Second can be about the favorite personality in general or related to the politics. Who is your favorite personality and why do you like him or her? And the next question can be, if you meet your favorite personality, the most favorite person or the most favorite personality on a morning walk while you're walking in the park and you get a chance or you happen to meet one of your favorite persons, which questions would you like to ask him or her? For example, the person says that if I meet any Indian actor or any religious person, might be any favorite person, I would ask him these 2 or 3 questions. So this question, the next question can be related to the questions he would ask to that person. And the next is about the politics. If you want to talk about some other questions, are you interested in politics? That can be a general question to start the conversation. Are you interested in politics? Do you like to watch political programs on TV? Do you like to listen to political news? Or are you interested in political news category? Like in news we have different categories, different domains. So these are called actually beats: educational and political, and then social, religious. There are several beats in news. So politics: who is your favorite political person and why do you like? Who is your favorite prime minister? Who has your favorite prime minister been throughout the history? And who do you think is on the right side? Who do you support? Such kind of questions you can ask about the politics. Then social media contact info. You might take the phone number, like what is your phone number, or may I have your phone number? But you can ask about the social media contact info. That means, for example, if someone says, what's your page name, sir? I would say it is English with Mubin. Or I have some other channels like Instagram channels, and my Instagram channel ID is this, my Twitter ID is this, and my YouTube channel is this. So this is related to the channel links, or maybe simple channels, about just the names of the channels. Then you can ask about, are you a regular user of Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media platform? Then you can ask about the other questions like, do you think Twitter has the credibility after Elon Musk bought it? So do you think Twitter or Facebook is safe to use? Do you think we come across or we get a chance to see a lot of fake news on social media? Or how to handle these news on social media? How do you handle these news on social media? So these are the questions related to social media. You can ask about how to start a business, how to earn from social media, how does YouTube pay, how to start advertising, what do you know about digital marketing. These can all be related to social media. I guess there can be another lecture on this topic. This is a big, vast topic. Then talking about eating. Do you like eating outside? What's your favorite dish? Which food do you like the most? Which is your favorite restaurant? Where do you like to go with your family or with your friends? Do you like to eat alone or you like to go with your friends or fellows? Sometimes it's the behavior of Pakistani people that we always like to call our friends, hey, are you free? What's up? So let's go for eating. And you like to eat and you like to eat together, like to have discussions together. So this is a good habit. By the way, I have heard somewhere, if you can eat alone at any restaurant, you can do anything in life. Because eating can be hard. When you are sitting, you might get bored while eating, but if you can eat alone, you can start any project alone and you can shock the world. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please share with your friends. Take care. Bye.